Hi beautiful, and welcome back to another tutorial, another beautiful and stunning eyeshadow tutorial on my gorgeous dark skin muse. First, we're going to go in with our eyeshadow base, and eyeshadow base is very important because this is where the eyeshadow it is going to sit on, so you need to make sure to blend this in very well. Next, we're going into our transition shade. Now, transition shade is usually the first eyeshadow you apply, and you apply it on the crease region. Where I'm applying that now is called the crease region, so you're going to make sure to blend that out. Transition shades are usually browns, soft browns, and orange. Okay, so make sure to blend that in circular motions. You want to make sure that you're blending very well in circular motions. So afterwards, we're going to go in to apply this dark black eyeshadow on the outer V. Where I'm applying now is at the outer V, just at the edge of the eyelid. Okay, that's where your darker eyeshadows are usually supposed to be. Now I'm taking that brown brush that I use for the brown eyeshadow to blend between the black and the brown, so that there will not be harsh lines, so that I don't get to know where the brown started from and the black. Okay, yes, so make sure to blend that two together. So afterwards, we are going to apply the lid color. This is usually on top of the eyeball when you're closing your eye. That is the lid. So I went in with shimmer, okay, for this look. So I applied that just on the lid, and now you can see that there are harsh lines between the black and the shimmer. I'm going to go into my eyeshadow brush, the orange eyeshadow. I'm going to pick an orange eyeshadow to help me blend between the black and the shimmer. Of course, you don't want any harsh lines there too as well. Please, if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. Thank you for the love on our previous video. Okay, so I decided to blend. Of course, you see what I'm saying. Now I decided to take the look up a notch. I went in with an orange glitters, okay, a pigment rather, and I just placed that same thing on the lid. Okay, you don't apply glitters on your transition. It's not going to come out really beautiful. Then to take this up a notch, I decided to go in with a white glitter, and I just applied it very scattered. Yeah, let me zoom in. You can see I just spread it on the lid, okay, just for some glow. Yes, look at that. So it makes the eye look to pop very much. Okay, so after that, we're going into our black gel liquid liner. I always use gel liner, but today we decided to use a liquid liner. Okay, I did go in to coat the lashes off camera. Oh, I did that on camera, and I applied the false lashes at the end of the video. Please head on over to our Instagram page at _beautyhq for the full eyeshadow tutorial. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the love. I do hope you learned a thing or two from this video. Please leave your questions in the comment section. Okay, look how beautiful this eye look is. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay beautiful.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. This is Rock Nation. Pledge your allegiance.